This part will explain the importance of using a stop loss. Always cut your losses at a predetermined level. If you decide to risk 2% of your deposit on a particular trade and that level is reached, always exit the position or allow stop loss to execute a closing position. Never ever change your mind so that losses continue to pile up. Remember, it's not about the outcome of any particular trade, it's about sticking to your rules. This is the single most important reason for traders' demise, not sticking to a strict stop-loss policy. Let the profit soar and cut your loss early and ruthlessly. Never forget that this game is not about being right. Unfortunately, many traders think and act the opposite. They cut their winning positions early because they fear that they may turn around, meaning they may lose their small gain. Meanwhile, they allow their losses to soar because they are hoping that their losing position will somehow reverse. Hope and luck are forbidden words in forex trading. Do not enter a position and hope that it will go in your desired direction. And do not count on luck in trading. Luck has nothing to do with successful trading. As the famous trader Victor Sperandeo wrote in the book The New Market Wizards, the key to trading success is emotional discipline. If intelligence were the key, there will be a lot more people making money in trading. There is another point to bear in mind if you break your own rules and allow a losing position to continue. That is, you will lose your capacity for proper neutral judgment, while your decisions will become far less objective. If you realize that you are on the wrong side of the market direction, get out. Don't think or hope, just get out. There will be plenty of other opportunities with better odds on your side. You don't need to be highly intelligent. Just be a disciplined trader and you will go far. Some famous traders even think that discipline, patience and risk management are more important than decisions about when to get in and out of a position. If you design a good trading plan and stick to it with discipline, this may be more important than deciding when to enter or exit a trade.